Most important question of function, class 12th. Let us see the question. Here question is what? Find for if f of x equal to 8x cube and g of x is x to the power 1 by 3. So this is the model question. For any question of this type, what we do see? FOG, fog, we have to find. So we can write f of g of x, right? And f of g of x is given what? X to the power 1 by 3. Now you know f of x is 8x power 3. So we can write 8x to the power 1 by 3 and whole 3. So we can write 8x to the power 1 by 3 into 3. This cancels. So correct answer is what? 8x is our right answer. X plus 7 and g of x equal to x minus 7. And where x is the element of what? That is a real number. Then find fog of 7. So very simple question. We can find like this. See, we have to find fog 7. F-O-G 7. So what we can write? F of g of 7. Right? Now f of g of 7. And here g of x is what? X minus 7. So here g of 7 will be what? 7 minus 7. So we can write here f of g of 7 is 7 minus 7. So we will get what? F of 0. Now f of x is what? X plus 7. So f of 0 will be what? 0 plus 7. So this is 0 plus 7. So our correct answer is what? 7 is our right answer. F RAR, real to real, given by f of x equal to x plus 3 by 2. And g, real to real, is given by g of x equal to 2x minus 3. Find fog. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? That is fog equal to f of g of x, right? And now it is f of g of x is already given what? 2x minus 3. Just put the value of g of it. This is what? 2x minus 3. Now this is what? F of x. F of x is what given? X plus 3 by 2. So here x plus 3 by 2. Here what? In the place of it, this is what? 2x minus 3. So we can write here 2x minus 3 and then plus 3 by 2. So this 3 and 3 cancel. You will get 2x by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. So our correct answer is what? X is our right answer. Hello everyone. Most important question of relation and function, class 12. Let us see the question. Question is what? If a star b equal to a plus 3b square, then find 2 star 4. For this type of question, simple technique is what? Here a star b, a plus 3b square. And we have to find 2 star 4. So just put a equal to 2 and b equal to 4. So our answer will be what? That is 2 star 4 equal to 2 plus 3 into 4 square. So we'll get 2 plus 3 into 16. That is 2 plus 48. So 50 is our correct answer. Thank you.